Hello guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm gonna show you the what is the best password manager here in 2024. So this is my verdict, so it'll still depend on you on what is the best password manager. So the best password manager still relies on the master password and still depends on you. So if you're actually using iOS ecosystem, I would recommend using the new passwords application. So this is going to be built in iOS 18, upcoming to all iOS devices this coming fall, I think. So after summer, I'm not sure. So here we have our passwords manager, and it also comes in your Sequoia in your MacBooks. So it's going to be integrated to the system if you're using iOS. But if you're using Android, I would recommend LastPass. So LastPass is just as good as any password manager out there that I know. I've been using LastPass in my Android for the past 3 years now, but I have no problems with it. It's only going to be good as your master password, of course, but I would use my password manager here in my iOS since it's all organized and I like it to be simple as well. So here we can also have your shared groups, security, codes and Wi-Fi and passkeys, and even categorize them if you want to. So this can go across systems with your MacBook and across iOS. But here I also have LastPass. It's just the same thing. You will have organizations for your passwords, such as this with Wi-Fi, everything else. You can make sections and it will have a backup. So there you go guys, that is my best password managers for 2024 here right now. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.